When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey, Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so I'm bringing another human hair slay on a Monday, and this time we have yet another human hair headband wig. When I tell you these are still my go-to, I'm not lying. I mean it. These headband wigs are still my first grab over a lace front or closure or anything like that. I'm grabbing a headband wig. Alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing this Brazilian deep curly human hair headband wig. I have her in 16 inches with 150% density. Now she comes from a vendor off of Amazon. Y'all know that's my favorite place to shop, and I will be sure to link all of the information down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and dive right on into the unboxing and styling of this headband wig. Alright, so this is how the hair came packaged. They did include this sleeve headband as well as this edge scarf, and as you can see, and as I mentioned before, this is a 16-inch deep curly headband wig with 150% density. This is the hair straight out of the package. And it does come with the headband attached as well as the standard Velcro strap in the back. Now as for the cap construction, it has the 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back with the adjustable straps as well as a stretchy cap. Now of course I washed the hair or co-washed the hair off camera. I also added some Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner and leave-in curl milk. Then I just brushed through the hair using my Felicia Leatherwood brush. So now I'm just going to plop this baby on and see what different styles I can come up with. And then I'll talk about my pros and cons towards the end of the video. So just continue watching.
Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn in your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far, I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
So you saw all of the styling options that I was able to come up with, and of course that wasn't all. That's just all that I decided to come up with for this headband wig. So I love the versatility. Like, you can do so many things with this unit. Now, if you are someone like me that likes a lot of volume, kind of like big hair, this unit gets bigger the more that you play with her. I don't know if you saw when I first put her on, but she was just kind of like blah and curly. Like, she was real defined and curly, but it was just like blah. So the more I like take my fingers and fluff her out and do all kind of things to her, the bigger she gets, and I love that. I also think this is like perfect length. It's not too much hair. I feel like I can definitely rock this all spring and summer and don't feel like I'd be getting too hot. This is gonna probably be another go-to for me because I love this wig. I love this headband wig. And I have one that I just will not put down. Like, it is my go-to. And now I might actually switch and give that one a break and switch to this one for a little bit. But I do like this headband wig. I showed you how I was able to define the curls, and I feel like they are nicely defined. Unlike the human hair unit I reviewed last week, which was more of a water wave. That one was okay, and even though it was a lower price, I would still choose this one over that one because of all of the things I can do with this one. I felt a little more limited with the other one. So as for the price, you can find this unit on Amazon, as I mentioned before, for a whopping $63.99. I think that's super affordable for all of this gorgeous hair, 16 inches, 150% density, easy breezy. It's human hair. Like, styles are endless. You can do so much with this. There are synthetic wigs that cost this much, and you ain't gonna be able to have it as long as you're able to have this one. You know what I mean? So I think it's well worth the price. All right, so that's really all I have on this unit. Of course, I would love to know your thoughts, so let me know down in the comments below. Are you feeling this unit? Would you consider purchasing this unit for the low cost that it is on Amazon? Let me know down below. Also, if you have made it this far, go ahead and leave me a cute little green apple right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end of the video, Shug Muffin. And I truly appreciate you for that. If you're not already, make sure you're following me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I'd love to have you there as well. Thank you all so much again for watching this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I'll be sure to catch you wonderful people in the next video.
All you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're